Yo guys, how's it going? What is going on? I know it's been a couple of days since I posted, but we're finally out of the heat wave, sort of. Okay, yeah, it's still a little hot. I mean, it's not as hot as it was yesterday. I'm gonna tell you guys right now, it was a record high yesterday in San Jose. It was like 110 degrees. For some of you, that may be really hot. For some of you, maybe that live in like more East Bay or that you live in Arizona, that may just be normal weather for you. But for me, I was inside. I also stream too a little bit, so if you guys want to check out the stream, you know, sometimes I'll stream during the day when I'm like, I don't know, just want to make some content, but also at the same time, can't drive my cars because they're broken or something like that, or I'm waiting for parts. I'll drop the link to my Twitch in the description. But yeah, let's get to it. We got to secure the battery first before we go on a little drive with my homie John. I don't want the battery flying around and it disconnecting, so look who just pulled up. I don't think he sees me. Yeah, he doesn't see me. There he is. Oh my god, it's... I'm sorry. I was waiting for you to come home. No, I'm just kidding. No, I just happened to be outside when you happened to pull in.
Straight waiting.
I was waiting, bro. My shoes aren't on. Step one, get the terminals off, like this. Alright guys, so the fittings actually didn't work, so I washed my car instead, and now we're gonna let it idle. It's all washed off right now. I need to air dry it somehow. I don't know how. Maybe go a little bit fast on the gas. I don't know. We'll figure it out. Put this bucket back. Oh, no time to dry. Oh well. Rest in peace. It was hot today. Oh my god. We're hitting Touge on the free. Nah, this is an on-ramp. I'm just kidding. But we're currently sweating. That's not water from the wash. That's water from my face and my body. That's just emitting from the pores of my skin. Let me just turn on the AC real quick. But yeah, everything's gone. It's been deleted. Yeah. It's alright though, because, you know, race car, and we fit the V-mount now. Hopefully nothing, this is a true test of the V-mount. Make sure nothing explodes or anything like that. Like the coolant lines or, the radiator hoses. I hope nothing blows up. A lot of things have blown up on me in the past in this car. So I'm really hoping this time nothing blows up, knock on wood. On that cheap gas. 5.30. Honestly, it's not bad for the Bay Area. It's not $6 at least. Wait, the boy just picked it up the M2. Jeez! Oh my god. That's John's new car. I smoked him so bad in his 135, he had to go pick up something faster. Well, not really. Well, actually, I don't know. I mean, no, he just wanted to upgrade. It's not because I smoked him. Well, maybe, I don't know. He said redemption arc, and then he sold his 135 and bought a M2. What, are you trying to get smoked right now? Oh, hell no, bro. No, bro! Oh my god, bro, that thing took off. Shit. Yo, honestly, out of dig, bro. I gotta give the dub to the BMW engineers of 2020. Cause my little 1993 RX7 cannot whip off the line like that. No way. Alright guys, we back. POV style. I know a lot of people were asking for POV, and so, you know, I wanted to bring it back for you guys. A lot of OG subscribers will remember my OG POV videos before I was doing the third person. But oh my god, they got a tow truck, bro. I think they're waiting for me. Shit, yeah, bro. I'll see you up there.
unfortunately, we probably won't crash because we're gonna be safe. Also, there's 2 people in front of me that are, I can't tell if they're hitting the Touge or they're just, you know, respectful, like law-abiding citizens. I think they might be on the law-abiding citizen side, unless they're just total like sleepers, like Takumi in that like first stage where he like went absolute demon mode, and nobody knew that he was a demon. You know, he was a regular guy in a regular ass Toyota. Back then in the day, it was a regular ass Toyota. And then he was ripping Touge the next night, smoking Keisuke in the FD. So, okay, yeah, I think these guys are regular traffic. All right, alrighty, let's fast this car was, dude. Holy cow. Oh man, we busting ass right now. Not really, well, sort of. Yeah, I mean, we're hauling a little ass. Just a smidge. Woo! Oh, I forgot how fun this car was. I totally told Johnny we was taking it slow today. I'm a capper. I'm sorry. John, I'm sorry. I'm sorry I capped so hard. Oh my god. Oh my god. Call me Polo G, bro, because I cap a lot. I'm so sorry, John. I have now ripped this car because it's been so damn hot. I'm heat soaking a tiny bit, but it's well, I'm not gonna say it's okay, but you know, it's, I don't know what RPM I'm at. YOLO. Oh yeah, it's a fun car. Yeah, if only Ford Touge was here, man. I subscribe to that guy's OnlyFans. It's sick. I wonder if anything's on fire. Nope, from the looks of it, nothing is on fire, knock on wood, so I think we're good. Okay, I'm gonna slow down, chill a little for John. I kind of busted ass right there, and I totally told him I was gonna chill. So I'm gonna just, you know. Oh, there he is. All right, cool. Yeah, he's right behind me. Okay, cool. Oh my god, his M2's fast in a straight line. Wait, chill. He's coming up on me fast. Wherever there's a straight, I'm in danger. Oh no! Stay away! Oh god. I'm not hitting full boost right now, so I'm heat soaked, so I'm gonna cool it down right now, because I don't have a proper tune on it, and I don't want my car to blow up, because that would be just really unfortunate. So I'm just cool it on this section, guys. All right, we don't want to blow anything up. We want to be safe, law-abiding citizens, and not, oh thank god, car. Okay, cool, traffic. Yep, that's why I'm stopping. Definitely not because my car's semi-interoperable. It's because there's a car in front of me. That's definitely, that's why. Yes, we'll go with that one.
It looks like it's great from here.
See how hot this is?
Yeah. Wait, is it hot?
Nope. Used to be like steaming hot. Well, I mean, you can like touch it.
Okay.
Before it used to like
you could
evaporate.
drop a water butt.
Water would just evaporate, and I'm like,
Crap.
that's not very safe.
Nah, you don't think so?
Yeah. All right, guys. So me and John are trying to go in and out. Bro, the whole entire east side of San Jose, the power's out. Look, those lights are dead. We have no power right now. Everyone just, I don't know. It's a free for all in the streets. Well, it looks like, yep. I think because the power outage. Oh my God. Oh, whoa. Yep, that was because of the power outage. Yeah, it's car's acting all weird. No, I'm just cruising. No. I don't want it. I want it. Yo, what's going on, guys? I hope you guys like that little POV. I just want to throw it back real quick for you guys. Not like literally throw it back, but like, you know, like throw it back in time. Back when I used to do POVs, like the first person POV. So hope you guys like that. Yeah, so you know, I just want to run it on the old road. I felt like driving out. It is a 30-minute drive. That's why you guys don't see me drive that road. I'm not going to say which road, but it is 30 minutes away from me. So, you know, it's a bit of a drive, but I really like it, and I like the viewpoint there. So I'll try to make it out more. It's just, you know, as gas drops a little, I can afford to make these trips. I mean, you know, I burned like half a tank going there and back. I mean, I drive, I think on my odometer it was like 70 miles. I drove a total of 70 miles yesterday. So, you know, it's a lot of miles on the FD. As you guys know, rotaries, they don't last as long as piston engines. Turbo rotary motors, you know, no matter how well you take care of it, they just don't last as long as piston motors if you take care of them the same. And I know a guy with the turbo rotary, with the FD, that his motor lasted 100K, and that was like crazy to me. My old motor before, I don't know who owned it before, but the guy before me blew up at like around 70,000 miles. So, I mean, that's pretty good. 70,000 miles is pretty good out of a motor, and I hope to get another, you know, 20, 30,000 miles out of mine. But we'll see how long that goes. Anyways, thanks for tuning in, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. Also, the merch, we still got the stickers. So if you guys want some, link will be in the description as well as my Twitch if you guys want to see some Twitch clips of me. But yeah, I'll put those both in the description. I'll see you guys in the next video. Actual peace now.